everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com. Welcome to this week's Genos Tyros Song of the Week and Buttons class. Always on My Mind is the song this week, and once again we're going to go into the mixer and make a simple change to make this style great for Always on My Mind. For you guys out there that know my computer crashed, it won't be long before my new website pages are up and published and be caught up. So that'll be really great when I can get that done. And of course we had a little bit of the hurricane this week, so that was fun too. Anyway, let's look at Always on My Mind. Okay, so on Genos Tyros it's going to be Country Ballad 2, Tempo 79. For you guys that are in my book bundle club, we're of course on Bank 9, this is Registration 8, and this is coming from Bundle 3. Now up here you can see it says Mixer, Style 1, Pad Off, and I'm going to show you that. Also remember the notes that are in red on these chord inversions, they're the fingers you're going to hold down. And this is what's going to get you to play chords easily throughout the years with practicing my Shortcut to the Pro Chord course here, which is very important. For you guys that are not in my book bundle club, you can see here I've added an extra A flat in 2 places, so you'll see what I'm doing with that, and I'll do a close-up of the chords later as well. Let's get into the settings now for Always on My Mind. Okay, so we are in, of course, Bank 9, Always on My Mind. On OTS2, we're using variation B, C, and D, so with your OTS link on, it's going to be 2, 3, and 4 with these settings. So in 2 is just a simple pedal steel guitar, and that volume is at 100. On OTS 3, I've got a pedal steel guitar, and I do have my harmony on there, which you'll see. So if I hit my direct access and harmony button, you can see I'm on country duet there, and that'll make it sound really, really nice. OTS 4 using 3 sounds, 2 pedal steel guitars, and a harmonica, and the volumes are 100, 127, and 102 for the harmonica, and that's going to give you great settings for this song. Now in the mixer on this, I'm going to touch mixer. Panel 1 comes up for you. You want to go to Style 1, and you can see I've turned the pad off up top, because I don't want those choir voices. It really made the style sound more realistic for this song without the choir voices on there. Okay, remember I'll do a close-up of the chords later on. And here we go with Always on My Mind. take a look at these chords. This is going to be a workout for you and working your fingers, and a great exercise. Okay, so you've got C to G, easy move, up, this will be the tough one, to the A minor, using 3, 2, 1, to your F. Now you do go from your A minor to your D7, and you can see if your fingers are in the right place, it's great. And the only other one is gone from F to D minor. And that's how it is to get those chords right while you're playing it in the song. Now you're probably going to struggle with going from that C, G, A flat, A. There's where you might struggle getting to that 3, 2, 1 so that you can just drop your finger down. Now if you already play chords a different way, that's fine, you can do that, but this is good practice for you. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the right hand a little closer. Okay, so I played it pretty easy in the right hand for you guys just to show you, but here's some really good tips for this song in your right hand. Remember, if in the right hand, if you're playing a C chord in your left hand, you can play notes that match up to give you a little more fun here. So here we go. Little rundown. You can ad-lib a little bit, which is kind of fun. So you can see you can have a little fun with your right hand there. Just watch what the chord is in your left hand and play around a little bit. Okay, one tip here for you guys out there, especially if you're new to me, make sure that you go to our video lessons page to pick the videos you want to watch, because I have so many on YouTube. It's very difficult to find the video you're looking for, the how-to video. And if you take a look at my video lesson room on my website, you can see all the Genos tutorials, all of the Tyros tutorials, and it's just a great place to go because there's a wealth of information there. Of course, the video is going to take you to YouTube, but that's fine. At least you can find the videos that you want. Now, if you're interested in learning how to play chords properly and better and becoming a master at it, it's great to purchase one of our book bundles so that I can actually send you music that'll help you with these chords, because that's the important part. If you let the Genos do all the work for you with these incredible styles, you learn the chords. And believe me, you're going to have a lot more fun in your right hand, because after a while you don't have to think about the chords too much. And the fingering that I have on there is really beautiful, and it makes all the chords easy to play. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, and see you soon.